Confused about the future tense? Don't worry, we're breaking down how to use it and use will in just 60 seconds. Imagine you're relaxing and the phone suddenly rings. You weren't waiting for a call. On the spot, you decide to act. You say, I will answer it. We will use will for this. It's for decisions made right now at the exact moment of speaking. But will is not just for on the spot choices, it's also our grammar crystal ball. Use will when you believe or guess something will happen based on your general knowledge. Predictions like, I think the weather will be nice tomorrow. So remember the two rules: will for instant decisions and general predictions. Now, using this rule feels logical and simple. Master will and sound natural. Practice makes perfect. What will you do next? Tell us below and subscribe for more bite-sized English tips.